Meet the all-new Keychron K3 HE and K3 Ultra. K3 HE is a slim, wireless magnetic keyboard powered by advanced Hall effect sensing and Keychron low-profile ultrafast line magnetic switches. Actuation depth is fully adjustable, from light, instant taps to deeper, intentional input. With rapid trigger, keys reset based on movement, unlocking faster response. Dynamic keystrokes let one key do more, assigning multiple actions at different press depths. Analog mode delivers smooth, variable control featuring an 8,000 Hz polling rate. Powered by efficient, open-source ZMK firmware, it delivers up to 550 hours of wireless battery life. Refined RGB lighting shines with intention, never distraction. Keychron K3 HE and K3 Ultra. Efficient, powerful, and built to elevate your workflow and performance with endless possibilities.